functions, we have a relation. We have a relation between two variable or two sets. Listen to me for this, and after then I explain. He said we can say that there exists a relation. There exists a relation between two variables x and y. That means we have a relation between x and y. If the value of one of them like x, he said if the value of one variable, يعني مثلا our like x, determined the value of the other y. يعني اگر هاتو ئەوەیان بۆ هۆی ئەوەی کەڵایەکە بدۆزێتەوە. ئەوەیان بۆ هۆی ئەوەی کەڵایەکە بدۆزێتەوە. یعنی ریلیشنەکە x هەبێت وایش دەبێت. یعنی ئەوە ریلیشنێکەیە. اوكي. مثلا کچ و باوک وایە ئەوە ریلیشنە لەبینی دوو variable. لەبینی باوک لەبینە. So relation between mother and daughter. وانە ئەوانە ریلیشنێک هەیە لەو نێوە. کەواتە لەبین دوو شتەهاتان ریلیشن هەیە. In mathematics we have a relation between x and y. The x is called independent value, independent, okay? And this independent that I write here, independent, yes, independent variable. Independent variable يعني تبقى كيف خود you take x any number, any value. So I get x has something with y, I can put that, that's it. So this is dependent. This is independent, this is dependent. Okay? Like
Mr. Is anyone recording?
I don't know. I don't think. No.
سیستم اشتكنا شنو يرخو ما بتم ريكوردين اللي قرأه.
اوكي شير ريكورد لك.
أهلا.
باي ريكورد. الناس ثاني ريكورد يخرج.
ما مستاخي مراقبة بقى أو هندك.
Okay, Alan. Now, مثلا y يساوي x plus 1, for example. أولا P قلت independent. أولا P قلت dependent. No. سيد كده بلوي x y. When you put x يعني x يبقى كيف خد هذه مثلا x 0 y مجموعة درجات. y is 1. y is 1 كواتا. This is independent. This is dependent. هذا one day باشا. So it is a relation between two variables x and y. Now we come to define functions. Functions are I just write here the definition of the function. I write here. Say a function is appearing يعني زوجك. One is appearing between two variables. Or two number, it's appearing between two sets of numbers, in which each element each element of the first set of the first set is period with exactly
ما مستوي دبرنا كينونيا
نعم بس استنى بشرح لكم one element of second set of the second sets. Now I explain for you. We say a function is appearing between two sets. Is a relation, or it is it's a relation between two sets of numbers. Like this. This is the set of the number A, مثلا. This is the set of the number B. مثلا you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is 1, 2, 3, 8. مش 8. We say it is appearing between two sets. This is two sets, okay? Amongهما, each element of the first set, this first set, each element of this, 1, 2, 3, 8, each of them is paired and is connected with exactly one element, exactly one element of that. يعني أولا بقول شو ده كان هذا جيك كان أو بيجي قلت functions. It is exactly connected with one of the numbers of the second set. Okay, يبقى كمان function فيولي نوان بسيتيا هل داني يقدر سيتي A دل بستابك لو بتنهاي داني سيتي B كات أو functional مثلا example is do it again سي سال بينز شش هفت هشت ما بنجمع شو بيت It is not a function. Why? It is not a function. Why? Each element in this set is not connected with each element of the set B, set A. This B. This is does not a function. A function here, but it's a function. It is a function. Başar. İşte bir mesela you have a set of this is 2, 5, 8, 9. It's a function. Sorry, it's not a function because 2 is connected with 3 elements. But the عكسها بالمرسم عكسها كيفو أو it does not a function. But here مثلا you have 3, 5, 8, 9, 2. This is a function. Look, if I come to the first set, this number 3 is connected with 9. 5 is connected with 9. 8 is connected with 2. It is a function. It is a function. Now, this is by the graph, okay? By the sets, table sets. حالة تشتم هي مثلا table set أهم هي. It is a function or not. مثلا 3, 3, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 8. And yes, بالضبط وياه واضح whether it's a function or not. ما زيادة بكموها أو x bit أو y bit 3 1 3 5 2, 2, 5, 8. You say it's a function or not. This is the set X and this is the set Y. I say it is not a function. This is not a function because each number, this number 3 is connected with 1 and with 3. He say connected with one element. اگر اوصل كم أو say اگر اوصل كم بوشيويا 3 1 5 2 8 and 2 5 3 with 1 3 with 5 3 with 1 3 with 5. That means this is not a functions. Do you understand the functions?
Mr.
Yes.
Could you write this?
Alana?
Mr. I didn't understand.
I repeat the functions.
Mr.
Yes.
كسك request دنيرينا يربينا.
Nice. حتى أنا ready.
أكسبتك؟
نعم. لازم
ready?
شيء.
ولو أنا أودوني بي
واصل
ئەوەی دوونێەوەی گۆرانەکەی پێکرد بوو.
نا
نا.
ويرسمك يا شو صار أخوي
مستر أكسبت بكم دا أقل طلبنا بوكي كاوتي كم؟
أوكي بساعد شيء.
إيش؟
Okay. I repeat again the functions. Jare, before anything, we have relation.
ربين قسيبك.
ليفت كرت
Left ticket.
إيه مستر ليفت أخوي ليفت
Okay. Okay. Now, I repeat again relation. Relation, we can say that there is a relation between two variables x and y if the value of one of them, like x, is determined in the value of the other y. The first value is called independent and the second is called dependent. Our best relation. Basha kawata relation tia relation awaya relation between two variables that يكي كان تبدي قلت independent أو بتقدر تسيب dependent. تجد the function أو relation على two set معناها مو two set of numbers. Each element in the set A is paired or is connected with one element of the second set. كواتا أو زور مني هل يقدروا يدبتن هذا جيد لو أنا أو ده أو مهم أو أي كزور مهمة. كذبی هر یک لوانه سهمشی لیده چوبی نبید یک آوانه دو سهمی لیده چوبی تمام لتانین دائما به ای گوتید دومین به وی گوتید arrange. The set A is called domain and B is called arrange. Let's go to the examples. Example number one. Example number one. Example number one is saying. Example number state whether the data in each table represent a function or not. Example one. Example one. Example 1A. We have this table. This is X and this is Y. This is independent and this is dependent. 1 minus 0.6 and 2 negative 3.6 and 3 4.2 and 4 4.2, 4, 4.2, and 5, 10, 5, 10.7, and 6, 12.1, and 5, 52, 52, 52, 52. Okay. Let me see. This is a function or not. Okay. We see each number is in the set X, which is called domain or independent, is connected with 1. 1 with -3, 2 with -3, 3 with this, 4 with this. طبعا هذه شيء connected area. هذه شيء connected area. So it is a function. It is a function. بالمناسبة عشان تعرفين أجل الإكس هجم عليه إعادة هو it's not a function باشا الإكس هجم عليه إعادة هو it is not a function. In the set A, if the one number is repeated, that means it is not a function. That means this number is going to the two numbers, okay? B, say B في تماشاكم. This X and Y, 3, 7, and 3, 8, and 3, 10, and 4, 42, 4, 42, I think, 10, 6, 11, 18, and 52, 52. This one. This is not a function. This is not a function because in the set X, the number 3 is going to the 7, 8, 10. It's connected with 3 numbers. If I draw this, this set, this is X and Y, number 3 is going to the 7, it's going to the 8, and it goes to the 10. So that means it's not a function. Or we say if any number here repeated, so that means this is not a function. Okay? Do you have any question? Okay.
Mister, can you please explain the second one? B.
This one? I explained this one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is this one. We have two sets. Set X contain 3, 4, 10, 11, 52. And set Y 7. The number 3 is connected with 3 numbers. 3 with 7, 3 with 8, 3 with 10, and 4 with. We noted here that means the number 3, the definition of the function must. The definition of the function, he say, a function is appearing between two sets of numbers, in which he said each element of the first set, each element, يعني each element, yes, each element of the first set is connected or is paired with exactly 1. يعني كوات السيكب وهي لكن يقدر معنا نكل. 3 is connected with 7, 8, 10. So it is not coming with the definition. So it is not a function.
Okay, thank you, Mister.
We have line test, vertical line test. Vertical line test. Vertical line test is very, very easy. Vertical line test. This is if you have a graph of the function, like this one. مثلا we have the graph of a function. This is a function, right? So you can to draw a vertical line in any place here. If the vertical line intersect the graph two times, more than one time, so it is not a function. يعني أجر هات vertical line كا جزء function كيبري, it's not a function. أو أنا vertical كا هذا أو ليه بري مثلا ليه هذا. So it's a function because it is intersect the graph one time. But here we have this function. مثلا this is a function. No, this is not a function. This is we say it's a graph. Let me see this graph is a function or not. We draw a vertical line by the another. Okay, vertical line. Okay, here. This vertical line is intersect the graph here and here. So that's mean more than one time. That's mean this function is sorry. This graph is does not a function. This graph does not a function. Say career. But maybe one of you is say, Mr. Draw here. This is one times. هذا كي بلان أما لهش يعني جزء بيبرد حسابي هم يبودكين. قريني إيرانا قرينك أو أنا قرينك جزء بيبرد. بس ده هش يعني جزء بيبرد. Okay. You can answer me this question.
هجا مستر أما آرام أبو بكر مانية لو تلا كلاسي ميا
They are removing that. Removing.
هزا والله مستر هوستك لدستا منيا
What's the color here?
هزا
مامستا أو يا مستر همون زار يعني أعرف أبو بكر مجلب ولا بقى أكسبت مكر
ما مستي كرديش دايقوت.
ما مستاي كردي ناوي للستا كدخين تو همون زار
I can maybe have to be Adam. Removing that.
remove it from
Color.
التو
Who tell me this a function or not? These numbers.
I cannot see that, I don't know. My
Yeah.
camera is not okay.
Okay.
The problem
We
is
draw
this-
What's happened?
I see that I cannot see because my connection is not okay. The problem is beside me.
Okay. Now we draw a vertical line. It is intersect here and does not intersect here. That means it is a function here also. It's intersect one times here, but doesn't intersect here. So that means this is a function. It's a function, okay? But if you have like this is and this, Orion or Haris Farnaka. So when we draw a line, so intersect here, barabar baiting here. So that means this line intersect the function twice. That's mean it is does not a function. Okay, I have a lesson. I think. You have any question?
No.
Okay,
Mister, what's the
Goodbye.
homework?
there's no homework today.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye.
Thank you, Mister.
Thank you, Mr.
So, and the